The WalthersProto EMD SD9 locomotive is being offered for the first time with ESU LoCSound Select sound and DCC control. Designed for authenticity, each model available features road-specific details such as the new operating Mars lights, Milwaukee-style all-weather windows, and the SP5 light package. That's just the stuff that we tooled up for this release. There are numerous other road-specific details including horn antenna and headlight type, rolled or cast-style handrail stanchions, pilot and plow types, uncoupling lever styles, and roof spotting features like steam generator equipment, spark arresters, winterization hatches, bells, and operating beacons. These are well-appointed, accurate models of prototypes that were in service from 1955 through the 1990s, and they make perfect power and service on HO scale layouts today. The newest run of WalthersMainline Alco PA locomotives has been so popular it's nearly sold out here at Walthers. Modelers awaiting this powerhouse locomotive's February delivery will be happy to know that a new detail kit is now available. The kit details one PA or PB unit with 6 stainless steel grab irons and 8 lift rings. Retailing at only $9.98, this kit offers an inexpensive way to further detail your new Alco units. An important part in the history of intermodal operation, the new WalthersProto 89-foot Bethlehem Flush-Deck Flatcars model widely used intermodal flats from the mid-1970s to today. Both the prototype and this HO scale model handle 28 to 53-foot trailers and feature multiple configurations appropriate per paint scheme using 3 different hitch styles, Pullman, ACF, and TT2 hitches. Units are also equipped with or without bridge plates as appropriate per scheme. This is a very highly detailed model with more than 50 separately assembled parts. For how beautiful the model is, it's an equally excellent operator, heavily weighted and equipped with the ultra-smooth rolling metal axles and wheels WalthersProto is known for. A second production run is coming on this newly tooled 50-foot AAR Mechanical Reefer that was just introduced last fall. This model is based on CB&Q built prototypes and similar cars that served the rails from the 1960s to the early 2000s. This car faithfully models several key spotting features found on the prototypes: diagonal panel roofs, the late improved dreadnought ends, refrigerator inlet and outlet grills, and detailed plug doors. Prototype reefers of this type moved all types of temperature-sensitive foods across America to storage facilities and grocery wholesalers, and with these new HO scale models, so can you. Available in 6 new paint schemes with 4 numbers each, new HO scale 54-foot Pullman Standard 4427 covered hoppers feature updated tooling with see-through running boards. The prototype cars are mainstays of modern consists, hauling grain, feed, potash, and other medium-density loads throughout the states. This is an affordable, good-looking car for servicing trackside grain industries. Quick additions to HO scale scenery, these new fully assembled tractors, plows, and forklifts provide realistic detail in plunket fashion. Farm tractor 2-packs double as both rural scenery or loads on flat cars or trucks. The plow and planter set includes one detailed 4-bottom plow and one 4-row planter, and they also make for great loads on flat cars or trucks. The new forklift 2-pack is ready for use in warehouses, loading docks, shops, and other industries along the rail. Perfect for campgrounds, woods, and lake shores on your layout, new tents and rowboat sets from SceneMaster are a perfect way to bring life to outdoor scenes. The rowboat set includes 4 boats and 8 oars, and is decorated white and tan for instant placement on your layout. The tent set includes 6 separately assembled tents that are easy to arrange in the space you have available.